In this tutorial, I'll show you an interesting material making method by connecting color ramp to principled BSDF's emission. This is how the material looks like. The primary material is metallic purple, and the secondary material is yellow and red. Let me show you how the material looks like on a UV sphere. It seems the primary color is only visible on the material's reflection. Here are the full nodes. I'll show you what each node does to the final material. Please use Eevee with Bloom, and also use extra material settings like this. This is how the material looks like from the inside. Let's take a look at what each node does. This is how the node looks like without the color ramp node. This material looks good as well. Please experiment with the settings any way you like, and produce the best result. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.